Hey guys, Todd James here. Wanted to ask a question about product selection and about how you go about choosing your products, or what you think is the best method for choosing your products. Now, for the most part, this question is just meant to get you thinking about some things. Your answers are only important to you because you're the one that needs confidence in the way you go about choosing products for Amazon. But with that said, here's my question. We're all told, the conventional wisdom is that, you buy some software, you buy Helium 10 or Jungle Scout or, Zon Guru or any number of software applications that are available that are there to help you select your products. And you do hours of research. You lie awake in bed at night thinking about all the downsides to buying a particular product, or all the upsides to buying a particular product. And then finally you just, when you're exhausted from the effort, you go ahead and you place your order, and you wait anxiously for maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months until your product arrives in an Amazon warehouse. And hopefully all that research you did in December still matters in February when the product actually shows up and goes online. Well, how about this? How about, rather than you spending all that time and all that effort researching a product, I just take a bunch of random stuff, put it in a big box, and I send it to your house. And that's what you've got to sell. Or how about, instead of you spending hours on Alibaba, you go to your local Target, or you go to Walmart, and you check their clearance aisle, and you buy up as much stuff as you can off their clearance aisle, and then you resell it on Amazon. But wait a minute, that doesn't require Jungle Scout or Helium 10 or any other kind of software. You're basically at the mercy of fate. Whatever shows up in your driveway in this big box, or whatever Walmart or Target has to offer, that's what you're going to sell. And you're not going to spend weeks or months researching and waiting for the product to show up. You're not going to have keywords all picked out, and you're selling to a keyword rather than selling to a product. It's just crazy. But if you think about what I just described, there are literally thousands of people out here doing exactly that, and many of them are doing quite well with it. And in the case of the big box showing up at your house, those are people buying pallets from any number of sources, not the least of which is Amazon itself. All those products that other sellers have abandoned for whatever reason, Amazon turns around and in many cases resells those back to other Amazon sellers, in a manner of basically a giant grab bag or grab box, if you will, full of merchandise. You frequently don't know what's coming in the box. And in most cases, even if you do have some idea of what it is, it's just the vaguest notion of maybe what category the products are going to fall into. But you're not going to have any kind of specific invoice or bill of lading for the most part. Your knowledge of what's in that box is going to happen pretty much spontaneously when you open the box for the first time. And the second example of going to Walmart or Target, that's your classic retail arbitrage. That may be one of the more popular ways of selling on Amazon, especially for people that are just looking to make a few bucks. They're not looking for a big commitment in time. They don't have thousands of dollars to launch a product, and they don't want to wait months to get the product once they've ordered it. So they just hit Walmart and Target, and find items on the clearance aisle that look like they can resell it on Amazon for a profit, and they buy those in the largest quantities they possibly can. Maybe they hit multiple stores, and they turn around and sell it on Amazon. I'm not advocating for either one of these particular methods. I'm not advocating for the people who buy pallets. I'm not advocating for the people that do retail arbitrage. I have nothing for or against either one of those methods of doing business. In fact, I think a lot of that is actually a lot of fun. Especially the boxes, the pallet loads of stuff. I could really enjoy that process. But I'm into Amazon FBA on a large scale. I am looking to make a lot of money, and I'm looking to make a lot of money long term. And for me anyway, those particular business models don't offer me the option to do that, at least with the level of effort I'm willing to put into it. But again, this isn't about critiquing business models. What I'm trying to do here is get you to question the conventional wisdom that the way to choose products on Amazon is based on keyword research, is based on competitive research that may take you hours or days, using software that you've bought. I'm all for having as much knowledge as possible about any product that you choose to sell. I'm all for doing everything you can to optimize your listing once you have that product in hand. But the point I'm trying to get across here is that a lot of people that are telling you, this is how you do it, you must have this software, you must spend hours researching a product. Well, they've got affiliate links down below their video, and they're trying to sell you Jungle Scout or Helium 10. And every time you click on one of those affiliate links and you buy that through their affiliate link, you're putting, maybe hundreds of dollars in their pocket, where they've done nothing except tell you that you need to buy a piece of software. The people that know how to list products on Amazon and how to sell products on Amazon, they can do so largely without these tools. These tools are useful. I use them. I have 3 or 4 different software packages that I use on a regular basis. So, and Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are among those. I do use those 2 products. So I'm not knocking anybody in this. What I am saying is that you need to think about what you really need to do and the skills you need to build in order to sell products. And once you have those skills in place, you can sell pretty much any product that comes along. I'm not recommending that you go out here and you jump in, head first with a product that's got 5 major players in the niche that are all selling 10,000 units a month, and have they may have 20 or 30,000 reviews. I'm not suggesting you go up against the big dog like that on your first day, but what I am suggesting is that to torment yourself with worry and anxiety and spend hours, days, or even weeks in just excruciating angst, if you will, as you're trying to choose your first product or your second product, or maybe you feel this way on every product. There's just no need for that. There's a demand out there for almost everything, and certainly if you can bring a product to market through whatever means available to you, whether it's ordering from Alibaba or finding something at your local Target or Walmart, or ordering a big old pallet. Once you know how to bring a product to market and how to get eyes on that product listing, you'll be successful. And there's a reason Amazon sells millions and millions of products, and that's because there are billions of people out there looking to buy those products, and it's just a question of getting eyes on your listing. That's the most important element in all of this. As I've said in other videos, the key to success in e-commerce, whether it's on Amazon or eBay or Shopify or any other type of e-commerce endeavor, you want to have a blog and monetize it. You want to do affiliate marketing. The key to everything is traffic. So spend more time figuring out how to drive traffic to a product listing and less time worrying about the actual product itself. again, I'm not saying throw caution to the wind and just buy anything, but I'm saying that for those of you out there who are already operating on a business model, or for those of you who are out there, considering other business models, there are people that are successful and they have no idea what their products will be next month until the box arrives in their driveway. And yet they find a way to make it work, and they find a way to achieve financial success doing it. So this is just a topic for you to think about, have in the back of your mind. Again, don't throw caution to the wind, but really ask yourself, do you need to buy a lot of software up front? Is it really necessary to spend hours or even longer on product research? I suggest to you that the answer is probably no, but it's important that you come to an answer that suits you and that satisfies you, so that you can move forward with confidence. And that's usually the case. Confidence will usually win the day if given the chance. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you think about this. If you have not done so, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you have comments or thoughts, and this definitely should generate a few comments or thoughts, please use the comment section down below, and we'll circle back around and answer any questions you may have later on. Appreciate you watching.